I have three destinations today, but the most important one is going to the meeting.
IR o BPI. And then, mag-attend po meeting. Guys, siyempre, mag minutes. Pero karon kadulong kami dito sa syudad. Ano siya ang mga Salamat kay dili kay traffic karon kay unsa mo oras ron alas 10. So karon inaron na oras dili gid ron traffic. I-compare sa kanang morning alas city alas 8. Pero diri jud dapit sa north dili kay traffic. I-compare nimo dito sa padung sa city mo na dito ang traffic. Muna nindot po ang diri or mo trabaho or mo eskwela diri sa north kay dili kay siya traffic. Pero adto gi pa dun sa city pertin traffic man dito pero ako na observe ang ang konsolasyon na traffic na pud murag nasunod na pud siya dito pa dun sa city. Ano na siya itong update karon sa atuang kadalanan. Sige, bye. So, diri tapita is expected nga traffic na dinhi. So, from Consolacion down to Canduman. Grabe ka traffic sa Mandawi na ni siya. So nag-detour mi para iwas traffic padong mi sa GTI. So may na magbaon og tubig ay dili sila modawat og maya
Because I'm cashless today, I'm looking for some bananas for my lunch plus water, and it's my choice.
among meetinganan. So dili ngita ko sa AVR asa ni dapit kaya adto sa AVR tanaw sa nako asa na ni dapit ang AVR. Where's the AVR here? Oh no, adara abli ba kanino? Na ni siya ano ba kanino? Ay abli na AVR ni? Thank you. May hapon. Ako isiga ha?
Oo.
Ay. Hindi ang mga tinganan. Okay. Ngit pa. So, yan. Siga na. Okay. Alam, siguro na dali sa ubos. Siguro. Way hagdanan no. Daram ding hagdanan diri. Okay. Daram ding hagdanan. Nay. Oops. Then.
Wow, we have enough space. We could dance here. Joke! No, we will be having a meeting here this afternoon. As you can hear, it's raining outside, and later on this place inside will be occupied by my leaders and officers. I took this job seriously, so I was preparing in advance and made a research on this.
Okay. I'm getting ready for the meeting. As a secretary, this is my second board meeting.
According to UW extension, so this is what is supposed to do before the meeting. Number 1, organize all correspondences received since the last meeting to be shared with the members. Number 2, have an up-to-date rule of members for attendance. Mauni siya no, usahay ang akong dili na ni magkatugma dito sa office, so need yun siya og update ang members list nila ba. Number 3, have a list of standing and special committees and know who is on them. Number 4, check the minutes of the last meeting for old business, tabled or postponed. Bring the minutes with you to the meeting. Number 5, if you cannot attend a meeting, notify the president ahead of time. On the other hand, during the meeting, these are what to do. Number 1, arrive early to assist with meeting setup and to discuss item of business with the leaders and other officers. Remember, you are part of an officer team. Make sure to do your part. Number 2, conduct roll call. Number 3, read minutes of previous meeting. Number 4, read any correspondence you have received for the members or for the group. Number 5, take accurate notes. Number 6, write down motions as they are stated by members. Number 7, help the president maintain and follow parliamentary procedure. Yes, that's it. And now, after reviewing this, I think I'm ready for this afternoon's meeting. They are here already.
Grabe kayong uwan ha. So, ito ang time. Alas, I don't know, the time is, naibag akong kamot. Dili na ako makita. More or less, 7 o'clock or 6 lang. Pero, uwan ha. Nakasilit. Wala pang kutaas bang. Okay? Yeah.
I went home safely. So thank you. See you in my next video.